Burr, you look cold.
I am cold. My poor dog just killed himself. I opened the door.
The screen wasn't open.
And the screen didn't attach to it, so it was still closed.
Oh.
And he banged his little nose.
Oh.
And then Sammy went on in, and now do you want something, Sammy?
What do you want?
Do you want a treat? Am I supposed to come in and give you something? No?
Me? I'm going to build a fire.
Mama Jen's going to build a fire, and I just picked him up. We're coming in. You're so impatient.
She says, get on it. All right. Let's go build a fire.
Get that?
Yeah. Let's go get a fire. Get a fire going. I already cut up the kindling. And gonna cheat again. I got some green chilies I need to roast, so I'm gonna build a fire. The sun's not up over the mountain yet. Will be in just a second, but let's get this fire going. I almost waited too long for these. They're starting to shrivel up. Alright. Roast me some chiles. Hi, Sammy. Those peppers are ready. Past ready. Sammy, hang on just a second. Gotta get these peppers off. Put them in this baggie. Let them steam. We'll come back to those later. Have to be careful. Last time I did this around the fire, I melted my filter. It's not very level. Coffee. Yeah, Sammy says, those potatoes. Somebody's coming out. Say hi.
Hi, beautiful.
You ready for some eggs and potatoes?
Oh, man. That just sounds awesomeness. Oh, that fire feels good.
Doesn't it? Good.
Oh, goodness.
Last time y'all were out here, you dropped an egg and I ate it. Dropped 2 eggs, didn't I?
She said, well, I'm waiting.
Or 1. You waiting? Let's see, where did that spatula go?
Spatula.
Spatula.
Finn, what are you doing?
Finn, what are you doing?
He says, I'm watching.
Are you watching?
He says, it's been a weird morning. Mama Deborah's been in her rig. Sammy's gone in and out. Mama Jana's been out here.
Cooking.
And he has not known where to go. He had a hard morning.
Oh.
He was crying. He was like, "Arr." No matter where he went, he wasn't happy because somebody wasn't there.
He's not happy.
Fork. 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 Sammy, quit licking me, baby. Please. Thank you. You have any Chappic on you? I can go get mine.
Always.
Always. It's part of her EDC.
And you do this every campfire.
I do, because I come out with without getting ready first.
Yeah. How hot that is.
Ooh. Love Chappic.
I think I need to.
I'm not stealing it. I'm just not bothering you giving it back right now. Finn, what are you eating?
No telling, because there's all kinds of foods
Hey, come
around here.
Don't run from me. Come here. Oh, goodness. Thank you. Good boy. You don't need to be eating anything off the ground.
Ooh, potatoes.
Popeyes.
Cheese.
Oh, and cheese.
Cheese.
Egg. Fire.
Fire. Fire in the hole.
Stick it right there. Did you hear all those coyotes during the night?
Yeah.
They were crazy. We had one right here. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me,
Hold it.
what I can do. I'm sorry, I'm holding you up. What I can do.
I don't think that's a good idea.
What? Here, it's perfect. Got me a little table on my plate.
Not on your plate.
I mean, a little for my plate. Thank you, Jana. Oh my goodness, look how perfect this is.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Mundo.
Oh,
Do you
my
need salt and
goodness.
pepper?
No,
That's salt and pepper that one side.
I saw
Before I
that.
flipped it.
Finn, no leaky.
No licky. No licky.
Nothing better than a campfire brekkie.
Wait until you taste the potatoes with that green chili in there. And the green chili's not hot.
Mm.
Isn't that good? Good.
Beyond good. Oh my
I love my little
gosh.
cook set.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah,
Did you already eat?
I did.
Okay.
Sorry.
Good. No, I'm glad. I'm sorry I was so late getting out here.
I wasn't sure my fire was gonna hold up, and I thought, well, I can get yours in the.
Mm.
Good stuff right there.
It's incredible.
Now this log's gonna take off. These two just didn't wanna. I think these are oak. They burn slow, but they don't burn with fire. They're just smoking.
Pignon is supposed to burn really good, so
I think that's pignon. I keep calling it black
I-
cedar.
yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Pignon.
Pignon. Uh-oh. Somebody has an alarm going off. Let me see what I'm supposed to do. Well, I don't know. It went off.
That was a good campfire breakfast right there.
Oh my goodness.
Fried tater?
The best.
With green chili.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna turn the camera off.